everyone. In today's class, I would like to teach you about focus. Yes, focus. When was the last time you are able to keep your attention to a particular subject? Hopefully, this class will help you to gain some better focus in your lives, okay? Let's get seated here. Choose your own comfortable seating position. Yes, that is perfect, everyone. Breathe in. Put your palms together like this, pressing it against each other. And breathe out. Slowly close your eyes if you feel safe to do so. Keep on breathing in and breathing out. Try your best to keep your breathing slow, deep, and steady. Find your focus here. If your eyes are closed, close them lightly and don't force it, okay? I am going to chime my bell, and I want you to keep on breathing. And as soon as the sound of the bell completely fades and silent, you can slowly open your eyes. Let's try this and keep your focus, okay? Breathe in and breathe out. Keep on breathing. Peekaboo! That was our first attempt in finding our focus. Great effort, everyone! Alright, we're going to slowly move our body to a tabletop position like this. Hands underneath our shoulders and knees underneath our hip. That's great, everyone! Breathe in. Bring our right arm out. And look at your right fingers. And try and stay still. Don't move. Stay here for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Beautiful, everyone. Now slowly put the right hand down and lift your left arm out. Straight forward. Look and focus into your left fingers. Keep on breathing normally, but don't move anything else. Stay put. You can do it. Hold it here for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very nice, everyone. Slowly come back to your tabletop position. Lift your right foot up and slowly bend the right knee behind your left leg like this. Take a seat back. Cross your left arm below your right arm like this and bend at the elbow so the back of the palms touching each other. Yes! If you cannot reach it, no problem. Just give yourself a big hug instead. And now, look forward and try and stay still here for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly release your arms and legs and bring yourself back to tabletop position like this. This time, lift your left foot up and slowly bend the left knee behind your right leg like this. Take a seat back. Cross your right arm below your left arm like this and bend at the elbow so the back of the palms touching each other. You got it! Remember, if you cannot reach it, no problem. Just give yourself again a big hug. And now look forward and try and stay still for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yay! Slowly release your arms and legs. Let's now lie down on the floor like this. Bring your hands underneath your butt. Slowly puff up your chest like this. And bring your head slightly backward. Now look up into the sky or forward and focus. Don't stop breathing. Slow, deep breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Excellent, everyone. Now release and move your hips side to side like this. Let's do it one more time. Bring your hands underneath your butt. Slowly puff up your chest like this. And bring your head slightly backward. Now look up into the sky or forward and focus. Don't stop breathing. Slow, deep breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And slowly release and move your hip side to side. When you're ready, you can slowly come back up in a comfortable sitting position. Thank you for joining the class. Please take care, everyone, and see you in the next class.